Hi guys, I'm Raswanth. I'm from College of Engineering. So my specialization is electronics and communication engineering. So I came to know about Wiztech by a friend of mine. He did an internship here. He told good reviews about this company, so I joined here. It's in a very feasible location. Public transport is very feasible here. So here we are learning about embedded systems. First class they told about what is the basics of C, fundamentals of C programming, and then they build it up to how to implement this in embedded C and all those stuff. So now we are currently learning about Arduino, and after this we'll go for STMP and pick all those microcontrollers and processors. So all the teachers here are very educated and they teach us in a very good way. We can learn everything here easily. So the thing about Wiztech Automation technology, the timing is very feasible. So whenever I am free, I can give them a call and they will show one-on-one interest on me. It's not like that for 40 to 50 people in a class and a single teacher will be taking classes here. It will be a one-on-one interest. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. This is a very good coaching center.